60 seconds and you'll learn everything you need to know about this Starlink roof mount. If you're mounting a Starlink dish and want something stronger and more adjustable than the basic included hardware, this is designed specifically for the newer Starlink Gen 3 and standard 4 and 4X systems. This is a Profasion adjustable Starlink roof mount, and the main focus here is stability, adjustability, and weather resistance for long-term outdoor installation. One of the biggest features is a dual adjustment system. The mount supports both 180-degree tilt adjustment and full 360-degree rotation, which gives you a lot more flexibility when positioning the Starlink dish for the best signal alignment. That can be especially useful depending on roof angle, surrounding trees, nearby buildings, or changing installation locations. The construction itself is designed to be heavy duty. The mount uses reinforced thick steel with multi-point structural testing to help withstand strong wind, heavy rain, storms, and other harsh outdoor conditions without loosening or shifting over time. It also includes a corrosion-resistant coating to help protect it against rain, snow, UV exposure, and long-term outdoor wear. Another important point is that it's engineered specifically not to interfere with Starlink signal performance while still securely holding the dish in place. Installation is fairly straightforward. The kit includes mounting hardware for both wood and concrete surfaces, so you're not making last-minute trips to the hardware store trying to find compatible fasteners. And because it's purpose-built for Starlink Gen 3 hardware, fitment should be more direct compared to trying to adapt universal satellite mounts. Now, obviously, final performance depends on proper installation and clear sky visibility. But for users wanting a more secure, permanent mounting setup, the adjustability and storm resistance are definitely the key advantages here. Heavy-duty construction, flexible alignment adjustments, and a more stable long-term mounting solution for Starlink systems.